Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn 4-digit number by 2-digit number multiplication in class 5. We know that multiplication is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. This will be the first topic that the children will see in class 5 with respect to multiplication. Let us straight away go into the details of this video now. First sum that we are going to do is multiply 1726 by 24. So we have a 4-digit number which is going to be multiplied by a 2-digit number. So first write down the numbers one below the other. Always write the place values so that you can write down the 2-digit number at its appropriate place of ones and tens place. The next step is to begin the multiplication from the ones place. So first you will start multiplying 4 by 6. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 4 in the ones place. 2 will be taken as a carryover to the tens place. Next 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 in the tens place is 10. So 0 in the tens place and 1 will be taken as a carryover to the hundreds place. Next 4 into 7. 4 into 7 is 28. 28 plus 1 which is being carried over, you will get 29. 9 in the hundreds place and 2 will be taken as a carryover to the digit in the thousands place. Next 4 into 1 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 will give you 6. So this is the first part of the multiplication where we multiplied 1726 by 4. Let us remove all these carryovers and calculations now so that next we can proceed with the multiplication of 1726 into 20, which is nothing but the digit 2 in the tens place. It is not actually 2, we should be considering that it is 20 because it is in the tens place. So when you are going to do that calculation, the first step will be put a 0 in the ones place because we are going to multiply by 20. So next multiply 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12. So 2 carry over 1. Next 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next 2 into 7 is 14. So 4 will be retained in the thousands place and 1 will be taken as a carryover. Next 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So that 3 will be going into the new place value 10,000. Are you able to understand what we are doing here? It is actually why it is moving to the 10,000s place is 10 is nothing but 20 into 1,000. So 20 into 1,000 will be 20,000. And with the other carryover calculations, we will be getting 34,520. That is the reason the digit 3 moved to the 10,000s place. Hope you are able to understand. The two products are, the first product 6904 is obtained by multiplying 1726 into 4. The second product 34,520 is obtained by multiplying 1726 into 20. So the third step next will be is to add these two products. So begin from the ones place. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 carry over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So what is the answer? 41,424 is the product of 1726 by 24. Let us do the next sum to understand the concept of 4-digit number multiplication by 2-digit number multiplication better. So we have 4,519 by 11. So first write down their place values and write 11 in the ones and tens place because it is a 2-digit number. Next begin the multiplication from the ones place. 1 into 9 is 9. Next 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 5 in the hundreds place is 5. and 1 into 4 in the thousands place is 4. So the first part of the multiplication is done where you multiplied 4519 by 1 which gave you 4519. The next step is to multiply 4519 into 10 because the next one is in the tens place. So when you're going to do that multiplication, the first step will be to put a 0 in the ones place. Next you start multiplying. 1 into 9 is 9. Next 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 5 is 5. And 1 into 4 is 4. So did you understand what did we do now? 4519 into 1 is 4519, which is the first product. The second product that you have got is 4519 into 10, which is nothing but 45,190. The next third step that we are going to do is add these two products. So begin the addition from the ones place. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next 4 plus 5 is 9. And then in the 10,000s place you can just take and write down the number 4. So the answer for the multiplication of 4519 by 11 is 49,709. Hope you have clearly understood how to multiply 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Stay with me till the end of this video. We are going to do more sums now. The next sum that we are going to do is multiply 3135 by 36. Write down their numbers and their place values and write the numbers at the appropriate places. Now begin the multiplication from the ones place. 6 into 5 is 30. So 0 is retained in the ones place. 3 to the tens place as a carryover. Next 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus that carried over number 3 which will give you 21. So 1 in tens place and 2 as a carryover to the hundreds place. Next 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 6 into 3 in the thousands place will give you 18. So 8 in the thousands place and the 1 will be moving to the 10,000s place. So we will get 18,810 as a result for the product of 3,135 into 6. Now let us remove all these calculations with respect to the multiplication of the ones place so that we can perform the calculation of the number 3,135 into the digit in the tens place 3, which is nothing but 30. We have to consider it to be 30 because it is in the tens place. So as a practice or as a rule, you should first put the 0 in the ones place. Then begin multiplying 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 5 carry over 1. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next 3 into 3 is 9. So the 9 will be written in the 10,000s place. So next step will be to add the two products 18,810 plus 94,050. So begin the addition from the ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 will be in the 10,000s place and the another one will be taken to the new place value, that is a lakhs place value. So what will be the answer now? 1,12,860 is the product of 3,135 into 36. Let us do the next sum. Multiply 5,482 by 72. So write down the numbers at their appropriate places, write their place values. So and begin the multiplication from the ones place. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 8 is 16. So 6 in the tens place. 1 as a carryover to the digit in the hundreds place. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next 2 into 5 in the thousands place will give you 10. So 0 in the thousands place and the 1 has to be moved to the next place value 10,000. So next what are we going to do? We are going to multiply 5,482 into 70 because 7 is in the tens place. So I have put a 0 in the ones place already. So now we can start multiplying 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is 14. 4 carry over 1. 7 into 8 is 56. 56 plus 1 is 57. So 7 in the hundreds place and 5 will be taken as a carryover. So next what we have to do is multiply 7 into 4, which is 28. 28 plus 5 will give you 33. 3 carryover 3. Next 7 into 5 is 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So 8 will be in the 10,000s place and the 3 will be moving to the new next place value, lakhs place. So the two products that we have got here are, when you multiply 5,482 into 2, we got 10,964. And in the second step, what did we do? 5,482 into 70, which gave you the answer 3,83,740. So in the next third step is to add these two products. Begin the addition from the ones place. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 7 carry over 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, 1 plus 8 is 9. And 3 in the lakhs place can be taken and written down just like that. So the answer is 3,94,704 is the product of 5,482 by 72. The next sum that we are going to do is multiply 9,721 by 43. So write the numbers at their appropriate places and begin the multiplication from the ones place. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 7 is 21. 1 carry over 2. 9 into 3 or 3 into 9 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. 9 in the thousands place and 2 will be moving to the 10,000s place. So the next step is to multiply 9,721 into 40. So first put a 0 in the ones place and begin the multiplication of 4 into 1, which is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 7 is 28. 8 carry over 2. 4 into 9 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. So 8 in the 10,000s place and 3 will be moving to the next place value, lakhs place. So next we have to add these two products that you have obtained. First 9,721 into 3 is 29,163. The next product that you got is 9,721 into 40, which gave you 3,88,840. Now we have to add these two products. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 carry over 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 8 carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 1 carry over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the answer is 4,18,003. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 5 under the topic multiplication, of which I have covered the first topic 4-digit number by 2-digit number multiplication in this video. In the next video, we will be seeing 4-digit number by 3-digit number multiplication, and then after that we will be seeing a special case of multiplication by zeros. Then we will deal with story sums and then do mental math sums and multiplication worksheet. I'll be covering each of these topics in separate videos, and links to all the related videos will be given below in the description box for your quick and easy access. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click on the bell button to get regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again in the next video with the next topic on multiplication.